Samsung is working on entry-level and mid-range smartphones for next year, and one of them is the Galaxy F16 5G. The entry-level smartphone could launch in the first quarter of next year in India and some other markets. The phone appears in 6 colors: blue, deep blue, light green, light purple, and purple. Galaxy F16 5G appears to feature a triple camera setup on the rear, a 50MP primary camera, a 5MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. F16 5G featuring a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with an Infinity U notch. The screen has full HD plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy F16 5G is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 Plus process with 8GB RAM and run Android 15 with One UI 7 out of the box and gets 6 additional years of Android OS updates. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and supports 25W fast wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.